Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, I want to give you here an update on Apple stock, ticker AAPL, trading on the Nasdaq. We have now here a price of $213, gapping down a little bit in the pre-market. So I want to explain you what I think will happen next year based on the chart, the price actions which I expect here in the upcoming days and weeks. This is of course not financial advice. This is my opinion based on the chart. Yeah, guys, I don't know if you follow my channel here. I had some price goals here for Apple. I want to share that with you. I made here a video back in 2024 and I said that I expect that Apple will tank down in this algo demand zone here between $183 and $176. During that time, Apple was trading at $235 when I made this prediction. You can see my old videos here, guys, where I predicted that. So I said that we will tank down here by around 25% before we recover from that and see the next uptrend. I was not 100% correct, guys, because when I released those videos here, then we had here a squeeze attempt or a breakout attempt for Apple. But then I want to show you what happened next. And then I also explain you what these yellow line means and of course what the trend channel means, guys. So let's simulate here with TradingView the price action if I was right or wrong. And you know we trading here at $213, so something happened here in between. Let's press play and check the price action. So that was surprising, guys. That was something like a short squeeze, like a squeeze attempt here for Apple. And then, guys, what happened then finally we met my price goal. Yeah, so I was not 100% correct from the timing here, but I was correct that we will dip down here in this zone. We closed, by the way, here a very important open gap at $173. That's why you see this orange line here in the chart. And we recovered from that and we are now back on track, guys. So why did I know that? Why did I know that Apple will tank down in this price range here? Yeah, because when you understand trading, then it's also understand to predict the next price moves. Don't get me wrong, guys. Nobody can see the future, but a lot of things are predictable, and this is here one of my missions. I always try to predict short squeezes. Apple is not a typical short squeeze play. I will let you know all the price levels here in this video, but I also want to show you that I predict short squeezes here on Patreon, guys. So what I'm doing usually is I release here a short squeeze video, or that can also be a screenshot post with price level information. That was the day when I posted that, and then here 1 day later, guys, just 1 day after I released the video, this ticker started to squeeze, and we had in 2 trading days a squeeze of 296%. This is a very good amount of profits for just 2 trading days. Then 1 day before this, we had the same. I had my video release here, and then you can see 6 trading days later, this ticker squeezed 180% in total, but already 1 day after I released my video, this ticker here started to build up momentum before it short squeezed, and I can show you more and more screenshots, guys. Yeah, this is also everything available on Twitter X if you want to follow me there. I always try to predict short squeezes, and these short squeeze stocks are available on Patreon, guys. If you want to see those tickers here, you can join our full package membership. You not only get access here to my short squeeze and swing trade alerts. This is here what I just showed you right now. These are normally videos here, but I also have tutorial videos, trading tutorials available, and my member FAQ section. So I share here a lot of information how to trade short squeeze stocks or even generally stocks in the market. So if you want to profit from that content, guys, the link is patreon.com/blackbelttrader and also available here in the video description. By the end of this video, you'll find in the credits also a membership explained video. Guys, even if Apple is not a typical short squeeze stock, the trading patterns are the same. So it works in the same fashion like for any other stock in the market. We have now here a 26% price run up after this market shakeout, market dip that was here for Apple here in May. Sorry, I have to go here, guys. 7th of April. As you know, the S&P 500 had its shakeout here on that day. Every stock went red during that day, and so did Apple, and of course we recovered from that. But the price prediction which I made was correct. So that's why I say when I put my buying orders here, I don't say it has to happen today or tomorrow. I just wait, guys, until these orders get filled, and I'm very happy about the actual profit. So what is now going on here with these yellow lines in the chart? Apple is recovering from that, so we have here 2 price goals to the upside. The first price goal is $223, and in a perfect trading world, guys, we can even reach back here $244 of course, in future we will see new all-time highs for Apple. There is no doubt about that. This ticker is in a super bullish uptrend here, and there is nothing to worry about. The only thing what I'm worrying about, guys, is the next market pullback. So I don't know why this is now for Apple, but we have always here in July or August, we have here some strong pullbacks here. 2022, mid of August, very strong pullback. Yeah, to give you a feeling about the numbers here, we talk here about a pullback of 27%. This is a lot, guys. We have $3.2 trillion market capital, and this is a lot. Then the same here, guys. July 2023, when we see the peak until the real bottom was here, 17% pullback. That's why you never want to FOMO in. You don't want to buy at these high price levels, especially when the stock is correcting down. Then the next was 2024. Also mid of July, we had this shakeout here. Also something like a crash attempt, yeah, shakeout attempt to trigger stop losses, also 17%. And now, of course, the market was fully overheated here, completely overheated. That was a big pullback here now for Apple, which we had in total 35%. So that was the biggest and strongest pullback since we had in years. We're recovering from that, yes, but is this bullish, guys? Be careful, yeah, be very careful here. Because if this pattern stays strong, then yes, we come back here again to these price levels here, $224 here in that range, or even $244 is possible. But if we see a pullback again, then we could even drop back here to $189 or even lower. So let's now go here in the daily chart to check the price levels. You can see very nice volume here in the last trading days, very green volume. The bulls bought the dip here. We recovered from that, but we left also here two open gaps at $201 and $183, and there are lower gaps at $158, $146, and so on. So now we have to wait for the recovery here. This is now what I say, $221 is one of the next price goals. Why? Because we have here one open gap in the chart, and this is unfortunately also the highest open up gap in the chart for Apple. Besides that, we have a lot of down gaps. What we don't want to see, guys, we don't want to see that the price is going below $169. Why? I will switch off here for a second everything, that you just focus on the candles, because we don't want to create lower lows. This here was a shakeout attempt. You can see there's a very strong support at $165, and normally this ticker has to continue to create higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Yeah, also here $169, before it was $164, higher low. If we come lower than that, guys, be careful, because then we retest the same liquidity zone for the third time, and that could be the beginning of a bigger correction. Nothing changed, guys. The main algo demand zone, where usually the bulls buying the dip, is between $183 and $176. Yeah, very interesting chart setup. I'm waiting here for July, guys. I will not FOMO in here, so this is for me too high to buy more Apple shares, but this is what I can tell you here based on the chart. And if you want to copy the price levels here, or my chart setup, this is everything based on TradingView. What you see here, this is the chart program, what I use for all my videos and all my trades. And if you don't have this trading program yet and want to learn trading, guys, I highly recommend that. And you can use here my $15 discount link. For the premium tier, this special TradingView discount link is also available in the video description. Guys, don't forget to check out here our hot stocks on Patreon. Here, these short squeeze stocks available right now. I have still plenty of squeeze tickers which didn't squeeze yet. And if you don't want to miss any updates, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate your support and see you in the next one. Arigatou gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.